get him in the water here. See, the bunker's good here, guys. I see a couple fish in this. Come on.
Давай. Поймай уже рыбу.
Да, блядь, пиздец, не ловит что-то.
Значит, плохо бухали вчера.
Ничего, сегодня бухнем.
Блять, нужно было акулу хотя бы оставить.
Да нахрен она нужна, слушай.
Я бы загуглил, как приготовить.
Нет, не надо там такие Google.
Алло. Ай. What? I'm on the phone. Worse. Yeah, they're trying to catch a fish. I'll show you some pictures. They got we got shark and we got the stingray. Yeah. Yeah, real shark. Oh, it's like one of those fishy that that actually can sting you with the electricity. How are you? How did you sleep? Oh yeah, I'm 100% sure. Better double check. Yeah. One of my friends, this guy did. This one. Right there. Right there. That's one. Yeah, he got the shark.